welcome back. Today we got 63 coins in the balance, and we're gonna try to run it up real quick. We're gonna do an upgrader. We haven't done an upgrader in a video ever, so this is the first time. Can you do half? You can't do half. Okay, what's 150 times 5? Let's try to hit this. You know, get a little bit of more money. This ain't gonna work. 177. Let's just. Oh, it changes it by itself. Stop. Break. Oh shit. Let's do 2 coins. One more for 2 coins. A 5x. $10. Can I hit it? No, I can't. One more for $3. Maybe. We keep upping it. Come on, this left side has to hit. $15. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Really? Oh hell nah. Oh hell nah. What the hell? Okay, so basically a wise man once told me that to make money I have to spend some money. So right here, 3-way crazy mode, 8 coins. These are not high risk cases, but this can print. This can print. My tickets are so due. Holy hell. I mean, it's a purple. How much is that? 5%. Well, yeah. No way. If he puts a knife, I'm gonna be triggered. Hopefully. It's a purple. It's still bottom hits. Okay. Back to the list. Let's try again. No way. Well, go. No, that's nothing. That's nothing. Oh my god. How much is the purple? $10. Okay, that's for one person, basically money back. Holy hell, this is basically money back, and we don't even win it. Now this is sad. This is gonna be a short ass video. If we torch the whole balance like this. Let's see. That's $33, but it ain't gonna help us. We need more. We need more gold, more rain spins, please. One more. On these cases now, please. One gold spin. One gold spin. Oh hell. Same guy. Okay. How much? Knives? 170. Holy, please be us. Stop, break. That's us. Okay. That's 70 coins. Hey yo, we in profit. So right now our teammate hit, so we do a 2v2. Please, for the love of God. Ambulance, first time hitting a gold on this. It's not even that risky for the $40. And it's not even that. How much is that? 34, okay. Oh, that would have been good. Holy hell. That would have been hella good. He hits a blue. That's $2. They basically out of the game. That's 2 purples. I have 80%. Please. I thought... Yeah, I missed. They have a 10% chance to steal this. And they don't. And we up. How much we up? We almost at 100. We almost at 100. We almost at 100. Okay, let's do one more. One quick. Okay. 3v3. Crazy. Crackpot. Hopefully. We miss. Our team misses a lot. Hopefully. That's not a miss. That's me pulling. Fuck. That's a red. That's 30 coins. 26. So I'm out of the game. But my teammates are still in. And that's a gold. That's minimum 20 coins. But there can be more. It can be more if it's a gold. Please. A good gold. How much is that? 34 only. That's gonna be has to be the lowest gold. We're kinda losing. We're kinda losing on the percentages right now. And looks like touch the purple. Hey yo, he touched the purple. It's a 1v2 right now. We're winning in the percentages. And no one hits on the USP. Okay, so please let us hit, and we out. That's not even close to us. Holy hell. Okay. Wait, one more again. Okay, 5 cases. 3-way crackpot. Both teams have a player. We got sneaky in here. We pulled 2 golds. Please let one of them be a gold. Or both. Let them both be a gold. It's a red and a gold. I'll take it. That's good. That's good. 70 coins already battle basically paid for. They pull a purple. That's more 10 more coins. Another gold. More purples. It's a 1v1. My red against Sneaky's green. Holy hell. But this battle is gonna pay a lot. That's already 112 in the jackpot. 2 more cases. My red misses. That's good. Red, miss one more time. Please, for the love of God. One more time. They hit 2 golds. Holy. Please. This is the most expensive case. 2 golds. 240. Red. Ah. I'm doing an all-in. Holy, this is the biggest. This is the biggest battle. This is the biggest battle I've ever done. 3v3 crazy crackpot, 60 coins. Hopes and prayers. Every coin is above $4. I mean, every case. I can't even speak. Please, for the love of God. This might break me mentally if we lose this. Holy hell, please. Rain, I love you, buddy, but hit something. This is almost halfway through. We haven't hit nothing. First gold. We can get 1.4k for this. It's a red. How much is the red? Only $24. You kidding me? No shot. No shot. Hey yo, they hit another one. Purple, how much? 6. Are you kidding me? $4 cases are gonna pay that little. It's up to me. Pull a gold, $200. Top ticket, please. I think it is 160. I'm gonna have to take it. It's gonna be a 1v1, isn't it? Well, yes and no. It's gonna be a 2v1. Or Purple, how much did you pull? Purple. Chinko case, come on. How much is that knife? 269. Our holy fuck, I'm shaking. $500 for a jackpot. And one more gold to top it off. Please, Rain, for the love of God, let me win this. Rain, please, for the love of God. $600. I get fucking sniped 2 times in a row. No, this. Okay. You saw it here first. High risk, high reward. Didn't get fucking rewarded nothing. But see you guys later. Take care. Peace.